In previous episodes, you have had the opportunity to witness the powerful wood sawing machines. Today, let's explore a completely new experience, the journey of transporting animals and heavy equipment. Starting the journey is the Bakra, a vehicle specifically designed for transporting and unloading sheep during Eid. With a 550 horsepower engine and a weight of up to 22,046 pounds, the vehicle provides stable and safe performance. Do you like the power of these vehicles? Leave a like or a comment.
Hayırlı olsun. Ne kadara verildi?
Sağ olasın, Allah razı olsun. 18, 19.
First, the Tata truck is speeding down the road with great power. Not only that, with a powerful engine and solid structure, Tata ensures flexible and durable performance. In particular, with a capacity of 180 horsepower, the engine helps the vehicle operate smoothly and adapt well to all types of terrain. The scene was impressive as the large capacity crane with 550 horsepower was handling the overturned car rescue. The car was lifted slowly, the engine roared loudly, the cable was tight, showing the strength and durability of the equipment. The Mack truck charged into the challenge, making a spectacular breakaway with the heavy log behind it. Equipped with a Spicer 5x4 dual-lever transmission and a powerful Detroit V8 engine, the Mack handled the situation with absolute confidence. The engine roared, the wheels spun on the dirt, demonstrating steel strength and uncompromising durability. Honestly, I don't think he knows what he's doing. The excavator with its powerful engine and 400 horsepower is working in the river, the crane reaching deep, each stroke digging powerfully.
Где не увидишь, да?
From the very first seconds, the two-axle self-loading floor excavator made a strong impression when the front wheels were raised more than a meter. With a powerful engine and an efficient hydraulic system, the machine easily moves and handles heavy loads with agility and precision. you are passionate about journeys of discovery of machines and how drivers handle difficult situations, don't hesitate to leave a like or a comment.
Iya mau buang muatan.
As soon as the cement truck broke down, the cranes lifted the wrong load, putting the job in jeopardy. Just a small mistake can cause an unpredictable disaster. Therefore, calculating the exact load is not an option but a must, deciding the safety and success of the entire mission. The Central Illinois wagon, equipped with the General Lee wheel stand, moves silently on the tracks at the Clinton County Fair in Carlisle. The front of the wagon rises up, supporting its enormous weight, creating a majestic and impressive sight. The roar of the engine, accompanied by the overwhelming power of the entire mechanical system. The sight of the crane in Edremit Bay lifting the giant truck bed left everyone in awe. With its superior strength and powerful engine, the crane easily overcame all obstacles, conquered the challenge, and affirmed its impressive working performance. Too intense. Can you imagine a 250 horsepower Tiger Cat 1075 be stuck in the mud? No matter how hard it struggles, it still can't get out. The wheels spin and slide on the soft mud, helpless against the harsh resistance. At this time, will the powerful tractor arrive in time to rescue? Can you see the power of the two 121,254-pound Uric, Hitachi ZX470 and ZX490 excavators working on the canal? With improvements such as heavy-duty hooks and attachment points, wider decks and chamfered links, they perform extremely well. The Leica 3D control system combined with remote control provides maximum flexibility and precision on the job. Oh my god, the cable suddenly snapped, causing the truck to lose control and plummet into the bottom of the ravine. There was a deafening metallic clang, and debris flew everywhere. I couldn't believe it when I saw the excavator moving on the water. Thanks to its special design, the excavator is not only powerful but also has impressive weighting ability. It moves forward, each wheel turning firmly, affirming its superior strength and flexibility. The tractor roared as it moved the 211,642-pound transformer. It slowly moved across the bridge over the river, the sound of the engine echoing throughout the space. MPS assisted in controlling the load, ensuring safety throughout the entire process. Right in the middle of the dangerous road, the Hino truck was struggling to reach the top of Carancades. With its overloaded weight, it was emitting thick black smoke as it went, rising like a black fog. Honestly, this was a rare moment when this powerful vehicle was faced with a challenge beyond its capabilities. The battle between the Land Cruiser and the truck is a real one. Who do you think will win? Will the durability and strength of the truck overcome the agility and speed of the Land Cruiser? Both have their own distinct advantages. A spectacular sight unfolded as the MF-274 from Srpska Ogoljevic Tunjevac faced off against the Universal DT-445 in a dramatic tug-of-war. The two mighty tractors stretched their legs, their wheels screeching on the ground, as they displayed their superiority in this thrilling match. Is this a tractor or a giant monster? With a powerful engine and outstanding horsepower, the tractor is bravely transporting logs from the top of the hill. Its steel nerves are redefining every terrain challenge, moving smoothly through all obstacles. Carrying nearly 100 tons of timber up the almost vertical slope at Santa Gertrudis Durango DG, the truck conquered the slippery and dangerous road. With a powerful 350 horsepower engine and a tow rope stretched to its fullest, it gripped the road, overcoming the difficult challenge impressively. Leave a comment or a like if you are interested in these heavy-duty machines doing powerful and impressive work. The Fuso beast roared as it climbed the slippery slope, using its 500 horsepower to overcome all the challenges ahead. Thanks to his skillful driving skills and extensive experience, the driver controlled the vehicle precisely, proving the class of the Fuso on all harsh terrains. The atmosphere was tense as the Ford Ranger faced off against the Toyota Land Cruiser in a thrilling tug-of-war. The two powerful machines roared fiercely, their wheels digging into the ground, trying to keep every centimeter of grip on the road. The battle of strength was as tense as a bowstring, each vehicle showing off its superior capabilities. Two giant fuel tanks are being transported through the city center by a large specialized truck. The engine roars through the crowded streets, the wheels slowly rolling through each narrow section. The entire journey requires absolute precision, with an experienced team of operators supervising every step to ensure absolute safety. Can a tractor get out of a deep mud puddle? Completely stuck, it seems like there is no way out. But then, a log is tied to the wheel, creating the necessary traction. The wheel begins to spin, each rotation pulling the machine up out of the mud, creating a breathtaking and spectacular moment.